much size of it.
The world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat. Stop lying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart.
I like how I'm hanging the actual rod first, the mounting rod, and this thing is about at least 1.5 feet long, because I don't want to have the whole light is heavy on its own or actually attached to this as well. This is kind of lightweight, but the light is heavy and long, especially if you mount it to this first to try to get up the ladder and screw it in, anchor it. That's going to be an impossible feat. So I recommend you just take this up, mark the holes. I've marked them. See, I've got my heavy duty extension ladder, 20-foot extension ladder. So we're going to be about, I don't know, 18, 19 feet high mounted, especially with this at an angle like that, how it mounts. So I'll show you as I go ahead up and mount this. Be very careful doing this, folks. I'm going to drill some pilot holes first. All right, I already pre-marked those holes and I drilled my pilot holes, and I've got here 4 wood screws. They're about 1 3/4 inch long, with some washers I'm pre-installing to hold my post or pole bracket up. You're going to go into here and hold just like that. Alright, I've already taken ratchet and wrench, I've got both in my pocket, and loosened the clamp up. So I've already tested, it will slide right on, and that will be holding the weight while I reach above and tighten these bolts.
That you shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to
I did it. Be careful when you're doing that. And it doesn't have to be ultra tight because it's got 4 bolts on it and it's slid onto a pole with gravity holding it on because it's at an angle. So it's nice and snug. That's how you want it. Now, I'm gonna have to call my landscaper because I don't think I have the proper tools to clip some of these palm branches off because it is kind of interfering with my new solar street light.
Shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to say it loud. Your secrets kept you pushing down, disavow. When he was knocking on your door, nobody got in. Now when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening. Oh, this is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. Oh, this is far from the end. You're gonna be back for more. All this silence, dear old friend.
Oh, hey guys, I can't hide from you in a light as bright as this. This is the true solar street light setup. I have to tell you, comes in a pack of 2. You can buy a pack of 1 if you like, but I would suggest get a pack of 2. You get a discount deal when you buy 2 together. And yeah, it does cost a little bit of money, but for what you're getting here, you're getting a commercial style street light, unlike the one I presented to you in the beginning of this video. This one is going to give you fantastic results and you won't be disappointed. I'm not in the least bit disappointed in this street light. I mean, look at this. You can see the light reflecting off of everything out here. And it's got a nice wide throw to it. I can actually see some light into my backyard beyond the fence back here. I'll show you that in a minute. But also all the way to the side of my backyard, I can see light thrown out there, and anywhere the doggies would walk. I know they'll be safe out here by me just coming out the screen door here and taking a glance and seeing that everything's safe. No possums or anything, raccoons, and I'm very, very happy, and I'm sure you will be too. Guys, thank you for joining me on another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
And it's a repeat, echo loop. Wanna cut it out, the tide is turning back at you. When he was knocking on your door, nobody got in. Now when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening.